Now we come to exercise 4.2, question number 1 and third part. In the third part, there is a rhombus BE and D given, and the parts of the rhombus are given. So let's make a rough figure and see what are these parts. To make a rough figure, I will make a rhombus. In a rhombus, opposite sides are equal. So the rhombus will be made P, BE and D. According to this, they have given the length of BN and the length of DE. Now BN and DE are diagonals of the rhombus. It means in this rhombus the sides are not given. Neither this side is given nor this side is given. So no side is given, only diagonal is given. So the figure will be possible only when we make the rhombus with the help of diagonals. So we will draw this rhombus again in rough and start the construction from the diagonals. Okay, so figure is not possible from the side. So I will show you how to make the rhombus when the no sides are given, only diagonals are given. So we will start the construction from the first diagonal. There are two diagonals given. So I am taking the longer diagonal 6.5 and 5.6. So I will start the construction from the first diagonal, that is BE. So DE I will make. So you will start, I am taking the shorter longer diagonal. You can take any diagonal, but I am taking because I will have to bisect the diagonal. So I will take first diagonal. Diagonal length is DE. DE is equal to 6.5. Now I will make perpendicular bisector of this line. You have done it in 7th class. You will have to put the compass at point D and at point E. You will put the compass at D and you will cut an arc from D on the upper side, one arc on the lower side. Then you will put compass at point E, cut one arc here and cut another arc down. After that you will draw a line and make this is called the perpendicular bisector of the line. Now this bisector of the line will cut the first diagonal at 90 degree. So you can see this angle is 90. This is 90 degree. Now the second diagonal length was 5.6. So the second diagonal is 5.6, means the full diagonal is 5.6. Half of the diagonal will be on the upper part. Half diagonal will be upper part of DE and the half will be on the lower part of DE. So 5.6 half is 2.8. So we will cut 2.8 centimeter arc on the upper side and the lower side. So keep the compass at point, I am giving name to this point P. So keep the compass at point P. The point P is the point which is the perpendicular part, that is here. So put the compass here and cut 2.9 here and cut 2.9 here. So this length is 2.9 and 2.9 down. After that it will become, you will connect this line here, draw this line, join here and join here. So the quadrilateral, the rhombus name was BEND. So BEND. So I can call this point where I have cut. This point can be called B. This point is E. This point is N and D. So I have named 4 points: point B, E, N and D. So the figure is made in such a way. If we see the figure comes like this. So I am repeating the steps quickly. You will draw a line, draw perpendicular bisector, draw this line. This length is 6.5. You will keep compass at this point is D, this point is E. You will call this point as P. After that you will put compass at P, cut one arc here, put compass here and cut another arc and then join it. So what will happen? It will make a rhombus whose all sides means this side, this side, this side and this side, and I can call the names. This point is B, the E, N and D. So B, E and D is the rhombus in which we made the diagonal and then completed the figure. After you have done, you will write the steps of construction.